Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my cozy gift guide for her. I'm going to be talking about all the cozy things, which if you guys live in a cold weather state, you are all about that right now. It has been on and off snowing in Michigan, so these are gifts that I would love to receive. So if you're interested in seeing all of my cozy gifts, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Just so you guys know, I will link everything that I mentioned today down below in the bottom bar, as well as the blog post that's going to go along with this video. So you can check that out just on my website. It's sarahbrithinee.com. But I will link all of these products plus additional products that are in the blog post that you will not find in this video. So if you want to see all of those, I will have everything linked down below. Okay, first up is one of my favorite purchases this year. It is this adorable beanie. It has a palm on it, of course, and then it has these little hearts on it. I think it's the cutest pattern. This also does come in gray, and I have been loving it. I will actually insert a photo here somewhere that is me wearing it. I'm actually wearing it with this like fleece cardigan, but this I've gotten so much use out of already. I cannot get enough of it. So I feel like this is such a good gift, especially because it's a little less common than regular beanies. But I do have this one as well. I picked up this beanie last year, but it's actually back this year. And I feel like this oatmeal color is so perfect for just anyone because it is a neutral and it goes with everything. But it is still super cute and festive. I get a ton of use out of this. So although I really love this pink one, I actually kind of like the pink one better. I will still likely get more use out of this one just because it's neutral and goes with everything. Next up, since I am wearing it, I want to talk about this cozy fleece. It's actually in the same photo of me wearing this hat, so you guys already saw it in a photo, but it is the softest fleece cardigan. It doesn't have any buttons or anything, so it is completely open. It does have a hood, but this is seriously so unbelievably soft. I'm just gonna take it off so that I can show you guys the texture of it, because I don't think I have anything in my wardrobe that's this soft. So this is the texture of it. It is, oh my gosh, you guys, it just seriously is like the most cuddly thing ever. I feel like I could wear this sitting on the couch, and here are the pockets. So yeah, this is so cozy and soft. I'm gonna get so much use out of this winter, and I feel like a gift like this for a girlfriend would be so perfect because it's one of those things that it's not, you don't have to guess so much on the size because it is like an oversized cardigan. On the same lines as that cardigan is this fleece pullover. So this is a quarter zip pullover. It has that mock neck and it does have pockets, if I can find them, on the sides, and then it does have a little bit of a split hem. But this again is super, super soft and cozy. The material is amazing, and then on the inside, it's actually like a t-shirt material. So you're not gonna get the shedding or anything if you're wearing a t-shirt or a tank underneath it, and it's super thick and cozy. This is so warm. So I think this is a great option. This is the gray color, or I think maybe it's called charcoal, but they also have like a fully white creamy one too. Okay, next up are candles. I feel like this is kind of like a no-brainer gift, but everyone loves to get candles, and it's one of those things that doesn't have to be super personalized. So if you don't know someone that well, or you're looking for like a hostess gift, or you're going to your in-laws or something like that, I feel like candles are a great option. I have so many favorites. I obviously have a ton of candles from Bath & Body Works. This is in the scent Winter, which I love this scent. I started burning it last year, but I didn't get that far. I also really love this one. This is the Feel Good candle from Origins, and it comes in really cute packaging. I feel like this is adorable holiday like gift packaging. And then this is what the candle actually looks like. Again, I started burning this last year. And this one is in the scent Pine, Spruce, and Orange. So this is a really good holiday scent. And then lastly, this one is from Target. These come in a bunch of different colors and scents. This is in the scent Sweet Clementine, which obviously is not really much of a holiday scent, but they do have a ton of different colored jars and scents, so I'm sure that they have a ton of holiday ones out right now as well. But these ones are really good too, just because they're a little bit more decorative. Next up is a cozy scarf. I have a couple of options. I have this one, which is kind of like color blocked in patterns. So it has like cream, this blush, and then the blush and white stripes, and it just goes on like this. This has little fringed ends. That's hard to say. But I love this one. I think it's so girly and cute. So that is one of them. And I think this is on sale for like $12 or $15 is very, very affordable. And then the other one is this one. I actually have this in a cognac color too, which I posted on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, definitely follow me. It's just at Sarah Brithinee. But this one is in the mauve, and I really like this one because it's huge. Like, it is a giant, giant scarf, but since it's such thin material, even though it's super soft, it's really, really thin. And so it doesn't add as much volume to your neck as a lot of the blanket scarves do, because they're so thick, and then they're also really big that I feel like I'm like suffocating. This one, I don't feel like that. I feel like because it's such thin material, even though it's really cozy, it kind of lets you have the style and the warmth without like it choking you. Are you guys like that too? I feel like blanket scarves are so popular, but for me it's just not practical all the time because I don't want to feel like so confined in my winter clothes. And then lastly, I have this faux fur throw. I feel like this is another one of those gifts that you don't have to know the person's style completely, because everyone needs cozy throw blankets on their couches in the winter. And this one's a neutral color. It did come in a few other colors. This is $24, I believe. So I feel like it's a great price. It's a pretty decent size, and it's just so fuzzy and soft. So yeah, I feel like this would be a great gift for somebody that you might not know as well, or just somebody that you know that loves cozy things, because who doesn't? Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. Let me know down below what your favorite cozy gift to give or receive is. And don't forget to go over to my blog to see the other picks that I have as far as this gift guide goes. There are so many other options on there. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.